This is exactly why I hate Nick. No, I'm joking. I don't hate Nick Mira. Actually, he's so cool. I really like him. But I want you to think about something like real quick. Follow my logic, okay? If you want to play basketball, you look at LeBron and you see how he plays, but you still acknowledge that LeBron is 7'1" or 7, whatever. A giant, basically. The same thing with Nick Mira. Because I think Nick Mira is kind of the epitome of like, I'm in my room making beats, which is super cool. I support that. If you have fun, do it. However, what I want people to look at is the fact that he has Taz Taylor, and they have a whole distribution structure that allows them to use all of those beats and have all of those beats go to artists, and those artists working super well with them. How? Very simple, because actually like the business they're running is not just like a production company. It's a bit different. They also do publishing, and they also do distribution. Okay, what I'm about to tell you is not 100% accurate, because it's not very easy to like piece together what they do exactly for a business, but I can give you a bit of details. So basically, if I'm not mistaken, they have a deal with Interscope, and Interscope is owned by, is it Sony or Warner Brothers? But it's like a big label, and they have big budget. And with those big budgets, what they do is that they found Tess Taylor's label, and then that label is liable for the artist's success. So not only do they produce the artist in the sense of making beats, but they help the artist find their message, their style, and writing the songs and all of that. How do I know that? It's very simple. You just go on all the big internet money songs like Lemonade and the ones from Lil Tecca, like all of those songs, and you just check the credits, and you will see that what I'm saying actually makes sense. Now, it's a little bit different because again, I don't have a bird eye view on this, but what I want you to understand is that if you are just in your room making beats all day, and your goal is to be successful and not just have fun. If you just want to have fun, okay, whatever. But if your goal is to be successful, like Nick Mira, and you look at Nick Mira making like 10 beats an hour, and you think like, I need to make 10 beats an hour, in my opinion, I think it's a little bit wrong. You need to have the distribution and a Taz Taylor next to you, or be your own Taz Taylor, which then brings you to decision. It's like, do I want to be more of a Nick Mira or a Taz Taylor? Do I want to be more on the arranging deals and nurturing the artist image side of things, or do I want to be more on the beats side of things? It's a very open question, and it really depends on you. For example, for me, I thought that making beats would make me happy, and I made 2,000 beats in a couple of years. I was making like 10, 20 beats a day for like a long time, and I figure out that actually for me, my skill sets, my happiness, like what I'm looking for, going on that side, more like the business managing side, is actually more suitable to me. That's why I think the Nick Mira is amazing, but you should take that whole image with a grain of salt. I hope this helps you.